Today we're going to do an iPhone X no screen issue. It's from another store. I have already tried the new screen. So they replace the new screen and after that the display doesn't come. So I have plugged into the charger over here. It's pulling up the right amp, which means the phone is on. I have connected to the computer as well. It's recognizing, but there's no display. So I have disassembled the phone already. So what we need to do is to figure out why there's no display. So the very first thing we're gonna do is visual inspection. So what is the problem? So there used to be like black tape over here around these. Somebody took that off already. This is the connection for the battery. This is the main part where this is the LCD connection. We need to see if there's any damage around here. No damage at all. It doesn't look like there's anything physically damaged by any technician. So what we need to do is we need to open our ZWX tool. Okay, from here we go to iPhone X Intel. So this one here, data connection MIPI to application processor to display data connection positive, negative, live connection. So all these are from the display. So basically we need to check the value. Instead of checking the value, you're gonna see if there's anything missing value, any open line over here. So we're gonna check around here. So what I'm gonna do is put my positive knob on the ground and try, and I'm gonna match it with the ZXW tool. So this one is okay, this one is okay, that's okay. The fourth one is open line, but that's on ZXW as well, so that's alright. Okay, bottom two, it has open line, but there should be any value over here. So let's check somewhere else. Okay, so the problem is over here, these two pins. So let's check what these two pins do over here. So application processor to display data 3 connection negative, connection positive. It goes through from this coil and from here it goes to not over here, so it might goes to the CPU. So mainly if there's no connection over here, it means the value is missing from here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the value on these 2 points. So if it's gonna show me anything, it means something is coming out from the application processor, which is CPU, and this coil doesn't let it pass through to the connector. Which is this one here. 1 hour. See, as you can see from here, this one is already moving, like this is not connected properly. So all we need to do is connect it. See, I'm moving the other ones, and all 2 coils, they are properly connected. This one is not connected. So all I need to do is connect these ones, so it'll bring back the supply, and it should work after that. Okay, so we have connected the thing. We need to check the supply for that one. Positive to ground, anything over here? Yeah, if showing the value. So it means they have knocked down these one, but now it's all good. I have put this back together, assemble it, and see if it's coming on. Yes, it does. And you put on the charger to see if the charging is alright, which is alright as well. All good. There we go. So basically what we have done here is check the supply of the connector first. We're gonna see if there's any open line. Open line means it's missing any value. So from these 2 pins they were missing the value, so we just diagnose the problem where the value coming from, why there's no value, and we put that back together and it's all good. So be careful when you do the screen. Do not knock those connectors. The small connectors, they can give you big trouble. See you on the next video.